So this is the results page that shows you all the responses that you got on each question. So for the first few questions on this data set about asking people about their search behavior and where they search and whether they've used Gen AI models to search on, the first thing that we ask is what age group they're in, what their gender is, what region they live in, all these demographic questions that you can run crosstabs on and create segmentation with down the road. So those are the questions here. Then we go down a bit and then we get to, some of the better, more interesting questions, like the question on please select all the services that you've tried using at least once to look up something that you're curious about. So we have 1,000 responses and we see that 80% of those people said they used Google. They've all used Google before. 77% said they've used YouTube before, yada, yada, yada. So you can kind of sort that by value in order of what had the most number of responses. And here you can see that about 7 people said that they use something other, please specify. And then you have the list of the things that they specified here. And you can kind of all see it in one view, which is really easy. And we'll go down and look at other sorts of data. So here we have a rank order select where people could select up to rank 3 on which services they used most frequently to look up something they were curious about. So when we kind of shorten it to maybe just rank 1, we see predominantly people used Google a lot. But, it's kind of interesting. We see that ChatGPT, about 3.6%, 35 people said that one of their number one most often used service, their go-to for search was ChatGPT, which is kind of interesting. Then we expanded to number 3 and we see ChatGPT's at like around 10%. So 10% of the US general population actually say they frequently use ChatGPT to search for something they're curious about, which is pretty interesting. And we have a bunch of questions. You can go down them, and if you select it, it'll just go straight to that. And you can, see it in a column chart. We prefer bar chart. You can sort it by most frequently responded and toggle between rank 1, 2, 3, and all that good stuff. So this is the results tab.